those powerful, beautiful tones running in the family. You know, we're probably related. I'm going to look that up, I am, because you remind me of myself. The way I sing is uncanny. Okay, Zoe.
I really loved the whisperiness in your voice. It was almost like you were whispering, and that was it was emotional. It was really nice. And for me, what makes a song, when a singer sings a song, is the dynamics. You've got to bring it up and then bring it back down. Just what makes it more interesting and emotional. And you did that. You really did that. And overall, I just didn't want to take my eyes off you. You were really captivating when you perform. It was just the little things, or the way you shut your eyes on a note. It was really well performed. But the only thing is, I'd love to hear that with a full track and not the acoustic track, because when you were up there, you were really powerful. So, but yeah, well done. It was amazing.
Thanks, Zoe. Carrie?
I thought it was really pretty at the beginning when you started off, and it was almost as if you were singing it like a theatrical song, which is, I've never heard that song sung like a theatrical song. And then sort of when the second verse kicked in and you built in power, you sort of built in creativity as well, and you made the song really interesting to listen to and to watch you performing it. I absolutely loved the breakdown, because you had this really husky break in your voice when you went up for those top notes, and I just thought I've never heard that song sung the way that you sang it, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I thought it was absolutely brilliant. It was honestly well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Yeah, Megan, again, I gotta be honest, there's definitely 100% exceptional talent in this family, from what I can see, because again, I just want to say, I think you've got incredible potential. There is a few things to work on. I don't know if there was nerves or something, but the timing throughout that was very out of place all the way through. And it might have just been because you was in the zone or something. But other than that, I can see there's a lot of potential. One thing I want to, you know, when you're at home, and the sort of artist you listen to in your bedroom, what's that sort of thing? Can you name me one or two singers you like to listen to?
Shawn Mendes or Olivia Rodrigo.
There, I was going to say Olivia, because that's what I could feel. I could feel the way you were singing. I could page you with that sort of vibe. So what I'm saying is that I hear there is a crossover going on, and that's like a theatre pop. And it can be done. I'm not saying it can't be done. We've had many singers do that, where they've got that, kind of blended the two slightly. But you need to be aware of that, because when you're blending, I don't know if you realise what you're doing, but from one moment you'll sing it very theatrical and clean, and then you'll go really unique and edgy, and it can work, but it's almost like you were not aware of that. But I want you to be aware of that, because if that's a skill that you're going to bring to the table, I want you to be aware of what you were doing, alright? So you've got this crossover between theatre and pop. Now if that's something you want to do, go for it. But I want you to be aware of who you are and what you want to do. Don't ever let anybody, the best advice I could give to you is that, even though you're young and you're learning new things, I feel like you're in a place where I can say to you, don't take anybody else's advice. I want you to do what you feel is naturally what you want to do with a song. So if you take on a song and you want to do your own little wild thing with your voice, go for it. Because it's your version, it's Megan's version, So I want you to be aware of that. But these are things you will pick up. But I think you're incredible. I think you've got massive potential. And I'm excited to see what you can bring to the table. I really am. Because there's so much to offer there. Well done.